Check it out. I'm Ray Lansky of Xclusives Barbershop. Today, we're going to pay tribute to the legendary hip-hop group, Naughty by Nature, discovered by Queen Latifah and the Flavor Unit, also managed by the late, great Chris Light. Hollis, Queens had Run DMC. Queensbridge had Mobb Deep. The West Coast had NWA. And of course, Jersey, we have Naughty by Nature. Before Dipset and G-Unit, you had Naughty by Nature. And before there was a 50 Cent, you had Stretch. This logo was created by graphic designer Mark Weinberg, who's also responsible for many artists' graphic work, album covers, etc. He first created the logo without the bat, later added the bat, which made it an iconic logo. This logo is also one of the most popular hip-hop logos of all time. And as you see, I straight cut this design, straight freehand, no trace. And before I go, I want to give a special shout out to KG, Vinny, and Stretch, better known as Naughty by Nature. I'm Ray Lansky of Xclusives Barbershop, signing off.